Hi friends, this is a short video on how to install Power BI Desktop on Windows. Let's begin. So I'm just searching for Power BI, and this is actually the Microsoft official website for Power BI. You can just click on the link, and in the products menu you can see there are various options like desktop, pro, premium, mobile, embedded and report server. I'm clicking on Power BI Desktop. So you can directly click on this download for free, or if you want any other language options, you can just try for this. You can select the language of your preference. For example, it can be English, German, Italian, or even in Hindi it is. For now, I'm sticking it to English and I'm clicking on download. And my PC has a configuration of 64-bit, so I'm selecting that and clicking next. So this is how the desktop setup has started downloading. Let's wait until the download gets complete. So the download is complete and you can just click on open file. You can here select the language of your preference and I'm selecting English. It is preparing to install and then here you can just click on next. Accept the terms and license agreement. Next. So this is the location, default location. If you want to change the location, you can just click on change and provide your preferred location for installation. I'm leaving as it is and I'm clicking on next. And I want the desktop shortcut to be created. So I'm clicking on that and click on install. This will take a few minutes to get installed. So I just want to launch this Power BI website as soon as the installation is over. I'm just clicking on that and click on finish. So this is how your Power BI application looks like during the initial load. This is the welcome page and it contains various tutorials, videos, and the other Power BI blog, forums, and other things. You can just try to explore one by one. And this is how the Power BI desktop looks like. Let us try to explore more about the features and the other handling or the using of Power BI desktop in the future videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.